This meeting is being recorded.
This meeting has been recorded. Okay, so first of all, thank you for attending. I didn't expect a huge talk, a huge conference. Is really the kickoff to explain what's the matter. So we have a couple of mates that we use to talk about what it is. It's also mostly for Michael. He wants to understand. Okay, so I'm going here.
On the slides for presentation.
Yes, slides for presentation. With an agenda so you can understand what you want. So everybody doesn't suffer. Okay. So what is all about? So the agenda is, so it used to be an on-site and online meeting. Mm-hmm. And this is the idea. So the idea is maybe on-site, I will make it, so I plan to make it here in Heidelberg. But maybe Mirza can make it in Riyadh, and maybe Ulysses can make it in the meantime in Mexico, and maybe somebody, Natalia can make it in Barcelona, and Eli and other colleagues can make it in Beirut.
At the same time?
The same time.
Same time, okay, the same presentation.
Yeah, so we have the icebreaker, so you just gather people, then we have this online part, when you get the presentation, question and answers. So let's say you want to test a talk you want to give, or maybe you found an idea great. Yeah. And you're expecting feedback, so the colleagues are giving feedback, so it's recorded. Okay. You get the feedback, and then the meeting is over online and continues on site. Okay. So maybe we can continue the conversation, or make it like what we call a coaching training, when you come with a pain point and we try to make collective problem solving.
Okay. Sounds interesting and new for me.
Yeah.
So it means there's both. There's an on-site presentation where people are looking and watching and talking about afterwards, discussion. Yeah. And also online people who are watching also can chat.
Absolutely. And so actually the format of the Zoom conferences is not a webinar. So then everybody can talk. Mm-hmm. If in the webinar format, you can talk, you cannot talk. Mm-hmm. You have to address questions. Now if we reach a certain level of people, so maybe you have to move with something else. But interesting is, so we have conversation. There is also rules, strict rules. Okay. So you cannot sell something.
There, I don't know.
Yeah, you're in front of the camera.
Yeah, hello.
Thanks.
I'm working for a biotechnology company in the group. What's called quality management.
Good.
So this is my area where I'm working.
Okay. So I use this to make a relay. So maybe if everybody can present themselves, because we're not large. Natalia,
I can start. Hi guys. My name is Natalia. I'm based in Barcelona. I am an agile and transformation coach.
I love Barcelona Football Club.
Yeah, great. Let's see if we have other FC Barcelona fans, or is it more Madrid? It's always
Barcelona Football Club is in my blood.
Perfect. That's great. So I'm based here. I'm working for Vistaprint, an American company. We're e-commerce company focused on printing marketing materials for small businesses. And for last 4 or 5 years, we have been going through agile and cultural transformation. Last 3 years were more intense. So I have been part of the team kind of helping with that. And I met Pierre last September in Jakarta. I think we had quite a few interesting discussions. So he kind of opened this possibility to start with the online meetups. I was definitely very interested. So I'm looking forward to learning from all of you and to meeting all of you soon.
We are looking forward to learn from you.
Thank you.
Who's next?
I'll take the lead, no problem. Second. Hi guys, my name is Mirza, and I'm an agile enthusiast. I'm mad about agile, and Pierre is the first person I met in the agile conference back in 2015, and since then we are connected We joke a lot, we talk a lot. We pass puns on the Facebook. But since then, I have been working in agile space. I had been agile coach. I had been agile transformation consultant, and every experience opened up a new door for learning. And I've worked with several frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, Less. I've also worked with Agile Hybrid, but still, I feel, as Pierre said, that there is a lot of confusion about what Agile is, and there's a lot of questions and misconceptions about the Agile coach. And I delivered this speech with Pierre in Lebanon, and the way he delivered the speech in a funny way, I thought like Agile coach should be like this, because when you use fun and humor, things becomes easy. So, this is where I started seriously about the coaching skills. Agile coach just not need to be only the Scrum expert. He has to have that human and people skills. So this is what I'm interested about. I'm looking forward to learning from all you guys. And yes, I'm here for fun and learning.
Where are you located?
I'm located in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, Middle East.
Lovely, cool. Hi, Raja.
Hello, Pierre.
Okay, I can't see you. Can you introduce yourself?
Okay, so can you see me?
I can see you.
Okay, I'm not seeing myself, so I don't know how I can see myself. So actually, I'm from Lebanon, in the Mediterranean region, and I work as a business analyst currently in an R&D center, and I'm building also a hardware academy, the first hardware academy you can say in the region. And I connect startups from Lebanon and the MENA region, which is the Middle East and North Africa, and European startups, VCs in North Africa and so on.
Oh, welcome, Raja.
Thanks.
Okay, who is next one? Who wants to present themselves?
Let me present myself.
Go ahead.
I'm Eli from Lebanon. I recently joined a startup company named Idris as a technical product manager. So we're kind agile, kind waterfall, and we're struggling to get the management well.
So I need to translate to Michael here. This is called agile, inshallah. This is
yeah.
so.
So it's like with this 3-point ellipses. So there's no, yeah. And the team of developer is from Pakistan. So we're here in Lebanon around 4, and in Pakistan as well. And I met Pierre in Lebanon through conferences and through Pierre Verhouwe. And I'm here to learn how things go and how can I improve myself and share my knowledge and my ideas.
You're the most welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Who's next?
I would like to introduce you.
Hello.
Yeah, my name is Gaurav. I work as a agile collaboration assistant at Kiona GmbH we are located in Frankfurt, Germany. Yeah, I'm actually a beginner with this whole concept of agile or agility, I would say. So I saw the group of the meetup group from Pierre, and then I thought maybe join this group and learn some more about agility, and that's the reason I am here. So I'm basically a very beginner, but I have gained enough knowledge with some projects from my company, and also with some books, and also I'm a Scrum Master. So yeah, and I also have my colleague with me here, Mr. Rainer Bo. So I would
introduce myself. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Carl. I'm not really a beginner in Agile. I set up my first Scrum team 10 years ago. Since then, I worked as a Scrum Master and now as an Agile Enterprise Coach. I work as well for Kiona. So we do Agile transformations, mainly in the complex product development area, has customers like Fissmann in Germany, which is a heating producer for Audi, Volkswagen, and Hensoldt, which is the Airbus daughter. There we do agile transformations into product development based on SAFe mainly, but we discovered that if you really transform 1,300 engineers into agile structures, that SAFe has its limits. So we enlarged this a little bit with a concept called MOPT. So we have 5 levels that we have to take into consideration that we really get agile transformation going. And what was told that there is a lot of confusion about what is agile, what is not agile, and what we have to take into consideration is we discovered that it's not only a cultural change, not only an organizational change, but you also have to take into consideration processes and the infrastructure and collaboration platforms, so the media you work with. Okay. This is what we are specialized in and what I love to do. So I'm passionate about agile.
So Rainer, you were so close to sell your company.
I was about to say he has sold the idea.
Yeah. I just want to mention this.
I'm ready to buy that, by the way. I'm ready to buy that, minus SAFe.
Okay, so here, and this will be our meetup, not mine. I just opened the door, and this is for you guys. This is a community event, even if I started. Right?
I haven't introduced myself yet.
Yes, sir.
So I'm Janne from Finland, Helsinki, Finland. I'm an independent consultant and scholar, specialized in organizational capability diagnostics. And I have just developed diagnostics instruments for enterprise agility. And that's why agility and agile enterprise are very topical to me right now.
Okay, hi. I am Ulises from Mexico City. Actually, I know Jane by LinkedIn. He sent me an invitation for PRAXIS Agility, but I was not able to come because I can't. But seems really nice opportunity to come. Maybe next time. I've been in process engineering since I started my job. I am an electronic engineer, and now I'm working as an agile coach. I've been doing consultant since long time ago. Long time ago, since 7 years around, and I became agile coach around less than 2 years. I met Pierre because Mike Biddle. I was one of his trainers. And I really like the approach of Pierre that is more informal, more like having about fun and etc. I also work as a lecturer in Barcelona. I lived in Barcelona for 6 years, and I've been lectured in supply chain for 4 years in Universitat de Barcelona. So I really understand about the feedback systems and all that stuff. And I think there are a lot of things that there are a lot of misunderstanding in Agile. We are been talking about behaviors. We are been talking about social systems, but in the reality, we don't understand more of those things. We say we do Scrum, and then we start to talk about behaviors, and for that we need some abilities about coaching. So I think the traditional coaching needs to fit with this agile coaching that is now, and mix it in the correct way. I think there are more people that are doing this, like Pierre. I think Daniel Messick is also doing that. They are taking some of the things of traditional coaching about, and I think this is about networking. I like a lot of things about networking. Actually, I am working with a girl called June Holly, which is he has a web that is Network Weaver. So I am understanding more about network. For me, this is the future for what we talk as scaling, and also I would like to participate in online collaboration and like conferences, and I love this because it's about like philosophy. It's about to nerd things, or I don't know how to say it, and it is a really interesting thing, but we are doing bad. The industry is selling this thing because they want to sell things, but we are not transforming to nothing. I've been seeing a lot of companies that say, oh, we're transforming, but in the reality, they're not transforming. So we have a lot of challenges to do this, and I believe in praxis. I believe in that the practical thing is the future of the things. So we need to really do a Swift, and I would like to collaborate with you guys. I need to go now because I am job. I just wanted to present myself and see what see you and know you, but I would like to meet you some other place. And nice to meet you.
And Ulysses is part of the group. So my company is the Unicorn Academy, and we are using also a platform for education that we will spread out also in the same way, in collaborative way. And so he's a co-sponsor of this event. Thank you so much, Ulysses, for your time.
I need to go because I need to return to my client. Well, I missed something. Now I'm working for Palo IT, and I am I've been working for Walmart. I work for now for Seguros Monterrey, New York Life Assurance. So I need to go to work. And pleasure to meet you and see you in my next in the next talks. And nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Good day, Ulysses.
Good day.
Okay, so we got all introduction. So I guess the next time we won't be able to make it if we have more people. If not, we do it again. That's fine. That's not a problem, not an issue at all.